Namaste. Good afternoon to you, sir, and good afternoon to the viewers. I would like to say that the school is following the COVID protocols that has been laid down by the government, because we are maintaining social distancing in the classrooms, and like we are having the exams these days, so in the examination halls also students are sitting in a very limited number, like say 12 students in a classroom, so that way we are maintaining the social distancing. Ji. And daily there is sanitization done, pre-sanitization and post-sanitization of the classrooms, of the washrooms, of the labs. एंड हमारे गेट पे सैनिटाइजेशन चेम्बर भी इंस्टॉल्ड है जी. यस, रियली थैंक यू सो मच. एंड so whoever any visitor or a student, they have to pass through that sanitization chamber, so it sanitizes them. And plus students have been instructed that they have to carry their own personal sanitizers also, and an extra pair of masks with them just in case they lose their mask. Although the school also provides them, we always keep a store of masks and sanitizers for the students. And we are not letting too many gatherings. Recess maybe we are not letting them mix up on the ground together, so that there is social distancing. And students, in case they are unwell, we are telling them time and again that in case you are unwell, please do not come to school, so that no other child gets infected. And our staff is fully vaccinated. Both the doses of the vaccination have been done, so the staff is fully vaccinated, the support staff is vaccinated. And the administration is trying to take as many precautions as possible, and we keep the children in prayer every day. We pray for their health and their well-being and the parents' well-being also. So हम तो कर रहे हैं, साथ साथ दुआएं भी हम भगवान से, ईश्वर से कर रहे हैं कि भगवान उनका ध्यान रखें, क्योंकि हमारे साथ साथ ईश्वर की ब्लेसिंग सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है बच्चों के लिए और उनके पेरेंट्स के लिए और हमारे टीचर्स के लिए. जी 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 जी. हमारे पास डिवाइसेस हैं फॉर थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग, एंड स्टूडेंट्स की भी रिस्ट पे रख के ही वो चेकिंग होती है कि किसी को टेम्परेचर तो नहीं है. हमारी जो मेडिकल स्टाफ नर्स हैं वो भी डेली चेक करती हैं. जब स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, दे कम इन अ क्यू. So the students come in a queue, they don't just rush to the building, they come in a queue, and there are circles made, so they stand in a queue at at a distance, and then everybody is screened so that no child is found with temperature. So we do the thermal screening also for the students. Thank you so much. Good afternoon once again. I'm Dr. Shamona Jain, Principal of St. John Senior Secondary School, Meerut, Kant. And along with our Chairman, who is the Right Reverend Dr. Prem Prakash Habal, Bishop of Agra Diocese, along with him, I would like to wish all our viewers a very happy new year. May it be a very prosperous new year for everyone. All our wards, our parents, the rickshaw pullers, the teachers, and even those who are not associated with our students in any way. So to the whole public, I would like to greet a very prosperous new year. May it be a very safe and a healthy year for each one of us. May we be protected from the virus and from the infections. And I would like to appeal to all the viewers that the first and foremost important thing is that we have to take care of ourselves and for those around us. So strictly follow the guidelines that have been provided. It's in a way a kind of discipline. We have to lead a very disciplined life now. We have to take care of our health. We have to take care that we are properly sanitized. We have to take care that we have got both the shots of the vaccination. We have to use the mask continuously, regularly, especially when we are in public. And use your sanitizers and your mask and maintain social distancing.